Hey, I'm Russ. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful backyard barbecue feast using Flaming Coals rubs and your Cypress charcoal barbecue. For our chicken, we're going to do our Flaming Coals Clucking Mad rub. For our pork chops, we're going to put our Flaming Coals pork rub. It is new. With our lamb chops, we're going to put also Flaming Coals lamb rub. With beef, you got a choice. You get a steak or a burger, but they're both going to have Bovine Espresso on it by Flaming Coals. Step 1, light your delightful starters. Ooh. Oh, yeah. One chimney should last you a whole cook, especially when you're doing it hot and fast. Ooh, it's hot. It's been going for about 14 minutes. You can tell it's done because flames are shooting out and the charcoal on top is starting to ash over a little bit. It'll keep going until it burns all the way out. So once it's starting to look done and all the charcoal is caught, you want to pour it out and get that nice base to start cooking. Alright, so today we're using the Cypress grills with barbecue alone. The grill goes down here, but to have a little bit more heat control, we're going to put the grill up here. It locks in these little tabs. That way it can go up and down, and we control the cooking process a bit better. We get the grill locked in these little tabs. That way if it's a little bit too hot, it's cooking too fast, maybe a little bit of burny, we can go up. Boom. It's that easy, and it works both ways. If you want to get the food done a little bit and then drop it down to get a hard sear on it, you can do that as well. It's flame grilled. So we got some temp into our meat. Now we're going to drop the grill down and sear it off and get that nice char. There's many ways to temp your food. I like to use a thermometer just so we can make sure everything we get up to food's safe.